What a lovely view today, YouTube. This is a massive oak tree, folks. And I said, there ain't no way I'm climbing that. I don't have any trees adjacent to it to tie in or anything. Can't see too far today. Well, YouTube, when you're doing a tree inspection and you see some stuff like this, you got a problem. Look at that big old crack worked up in that sucker. And we're talking, this is a massive oak tree, folks. Busted all the way up there. Big old 80-footer probably. You can see that big old crack on the other side here, folks. Runs right up the center of the trunk. We got another big old crack right here, YouTube. You can see that, guys. Big old cracks. Anyways, this is the tree right here, folks. It's pretty good sized, comes up here. It's leaning right at the client's house here. They are concerned. I am concerned. I looked at it yesterday and I said, there ain't no way I'm climbing that. I don't have any trees adjacent to it to tie in or anything. So what we're gonna do, we got a crane coming here this morning. We're not gonna be hoisting nothing. We ain't gonna be lifting nothing. The only thing I'm gonna do is use him for a tie-in. We are ready, big dog. Oh, I know. I tell you what, if you could just, we'll take this one here off first. Yeah, right there, yeah. Yep, yes sir. What a lovely view today, YouTube. You'll probably hear me talking to the camera too, brother. I'm a talky guy on the film, you know. Oh, I know. Can't see too far today. I'd say you're pretty good right there if you could just go a little bit to the right. A little bit more. Right in there. That'd be perfect, buddy. Let me undo my secondary and I'll just have you cable down just a little bit. Go ahead. That'll work right there, Hoss. Thank you. Right on. Really? No shit, huh? Kind of getting some slack in it, huh? I feel you. Right. Oh, I got you. Yeah. Caused some chaos for a guy hanging on the hood. Mm-hmm. Right. You want to hear my fall here? There was a figure 8 on the back of this rope, correct, James? We got quite a bit. We had 2 big trees fall in the same damn house 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Off that deal. Yep, that's the way we do it. Heck yeah. What's up? Oh yeah, all the time, man. Okay. Really? Okay. Heck yeah. Yeah, we can drop them off there if you want. You just have to send me your address, you know what I mean? Go a little bit left. Right there, yeah, that'd be good. I'll take it. that in there, partner. Good. Our 16 years are paying off. Heck yeah. I'm getting her all. That's good, bud. Oh. Lost track and I said, oh man, I'm going too far. Oh no, that was me, man. I was talking to James. I'll just let that limb go on by before I said anything. Or anything yet. Hell, it took me long enough to get all oh man, yeah. That keeps you busy there, dude. Holy smokes. Cable up. Wow. Too much for me, buddy. Yeah, I know some people that they be staying in hotels and all kinds of stuff, man. Yeah. Right. Right, yeah. Yeah, and I told myself I wouldn't be that pressing parent either, you know what I mean? Hoping for it. I even kind of flung it off there, hoping for the best. Awesome. We got a skid loader. Cable up, cable up. We got a skid loader, but it's in Bobcat right now getting fixed. Yeah, it broke down on us last week. That'll keep, yeah, keep going. Sorry. That's good right there. Go ahead and boom to your right. That'll work. Can you boom up? That's it, boss. Thank you. I don't want to pay you guys to lose a lot of money just to make it easier for me. Clean this shit up. No, I cut timber, man, for let me see, about 3 years, probably 2.5, 3, something like that. And I got a pretty good tolerance to it, but camcorder's still going. He's still on there. Buckle up, boys! Oh yeah, we're off work. We're done. Sorry about that, man. That's my signature thing on YouTube. You'll figure it out. I usually try to move that mic. Ah! That was dead. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to jar you down there, buddy. I'll tell you what. I'm thinking I need that 500. Yes, sir. I'll have you bring me down, buddy. Yep. Yes, sir. I like working with you, JB. Yeah, this is pretty smooth, man. These headsets help on that communication, don't they, man? Yeah, this stuff and that stuff. And... Right. We're going down, YouTube. We gotta get a bigger saw. We'll keep booming down from it. That'll work right there. Oh, you're all right, man. That's just a ride, dude. That's money, dude. Yeah, no, come on, baby. In the treetop, for real. In the treetop, that's something, man. Okay, that'll work, man. Okay. Herky jerky, my glove was wet, didn't want to roll. Oh yeah. Wow. You can actually see now. Yeah. If this only takes an hour, I want you to park in this backyard and I want to play on this crane for an hour. Take me all the way up. All the way up, man. Words of stale cracker. That's money, dude. Hey, just by the way, stale cracker, I love your videos, man. Your pork rind cooking, your deer ribs, all your shit, boy. That's money, dude. No way. Wow. Small world. Man, stale cracker be up in my neck of the woods. That's pretty cool. I had no idea. I've been watching him on YouTube though, man. He's been going everywhere. Wow. I'm good, bud. Bring me down. You can bring me out, set me down. I'll play around a little bit on it. No, yeah, we'll drop that from the ground, I think. Hold on, hold right there. James, what do you think? Is that gonna clear the ground and everything? That'll clear? For sure? gets bad, dude. I'll just knock it at the ground, dude. I think I can get it. I hope my timber experience will pay off. Well, there you have it, YouTube. We got the top out of that tree. Crane guy's gone. And this is what we're left with here. We just got this stick. We're gonna try to drop it right in here about where I'm standing at. So just kind of straight with the lean, you know. But we're gonna definitely bring you guys along here. We'll get down in here, start looking at this crack on the tree. We'll bring you guys along. Bit of a chore getting down here, YouTube. This is a no cleanup job, you know, so just kind of a smash and bash, and so we're down here climbing amongst it, like James would say, get amongst it. So but here's the tree. We do have a ratchet strap around it. I kind of thought it would be a good idea. I don't know if it'll do any good, but we're definitely going to try. Here's the crack right here, and it actually closed up just, you know, maybe about an inch and a half or so when we was putting the ratchet strap on there. So we're hoping it does some good. Come back around over here. We got another large crack right there running up the side. We got one up front, so we're gonna go ahead and stick a notch in it. We're gonna bring you guys along. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave it a like. Go ahead and go to our channel, check out all our videos. Subscribe, folks, subscribe. Leave us comments. We like hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys when we're done. Well, there you have it, YouTube. She's down. She was really nasty inside there. I'm really kind of surprised that this didn't fall on this gentleman's house. But I'm glad it came down safe. Glad they're safe. Glad we're safe. That was a scary one, I'll tell you that. We didn't know which way that was going to go, if it was going to blow up or what was going on. But you see all the decay in there, YouTube. But it all went good. Landed up there in the yard where we wanted it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.